So why we live so though? Why we living like this?
Oh, what you mean? I don't know what you mean. My best friend, if you not text me, I'm gonna text you. If you text me, I'm gonna text you. But if you not text me, I'm gonna text.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. People, what a bangarang. Something is about to happen. Something is about to explode over there on TikTok. Me dear. But anyway, people, me don't know if you know by now, says Suty dropped some receipt by Ackeem all up in our DM, send our voice note, and all of those things. Meanwhile, he was traveling, and in Panama, and Colombia, and who to tell, while he was in Mexico too. So all of that was going on, me dear. So Suty now, she dropped the receipt, the man, she said, anyhow Rosalie continue to poke her, she go drop some more receipt pan Ackeem. But anyway, people, you did see the reaction while they were over there in Parliament. Me dear, Rosalie begs to Fene. That Rosalie goes to the screen recording them. Rosalie begs. But anyway, I'm gonna watch the video for myself. We are waiting to see what I gonna happen. Okay, everybody are patient for Rosalie come out. Love. I'm gonna watch the video for myself and leave all the thoughts and comments and let me know what you think in the comment section.
You know, say you do your thing, me I do my thing. We both do our own thing. So if you text me, I'll text you. But if you're busy, me not go. You know, like, I text people.
So when I normally would say it, when I live so. If you want to come to marry me, I go Colombia, so should I be? I wonder if you block me or something. But I don't want to talk to you about when I reach me here again because I'm in the airport now in Panama. I wonder if you cancel our trip.
Let me see. This is him at the airport, and wait, I don't want to hear none on the voice note right now because that's not the wait. Oh, I'm sick really bad. He's sick. So yeah, I know he's sick, but she's on his account, right? So not even sick bad because if you depend on vacation or you with this a woman, yeah, sit down on your account. You need to control your account because if you like a girl, me not care what nobody wants to say. If me I look a girl, because me not look nobody, you know. If me like a girl, and guess what? Me and nobody papi show. I'm that girl. So no boy can feel like say, even what you do, whatever you do, and feel like say, okay, me I go stay in a dark and let's play the game. No. You control your hog, control your bullfrog, control your orangutan, control your pig. So do not invite me, allow me alone. Me do my thing over here, so I stay in my little corner because I don't like drama. You see, if it was for drama and fame and all of that would be out there. I would be out there. I would be out there. So, at the end of the day, what may I say? You sit down there and have the hug on your phone and know say how the hug turn. So, take your phone from the hug because you know say na your phone, you have follow girl where you like. You know you have tan. You know you have tan. You know you have act. And she talk about me. And she feel like it was okay. So I hope say next time. So all who are comment about what's the purpose of this or whatever, next time she see me, she not gonna trouble me. Next time she see me, she not gonna invite me. Next time she see me, she gonna love me. Next time she see me, she not invite me. Let me have this.
Good evening. My name is Nadia Madison. This one is for Isaac.
It was written what she spoke, roll it in a blunt light of fan. You breathe in greatness, the way you speak, you're aching greatness. It wasn't given, no, it's a myth. Kind of energy you can't escape. We'll catch you slipping, you're gliding. Hello.
Let me tell you something. This artist is a national treasure. You might not know it now.
This woman was on my nerve. If it was for something I want to show, I would have done it from last year. I would have done it from last year, from the first moment he asked me on a trip or he say hi to me or whatever. You understand? I just keep it and I keep on going around it. I keep on going around this shit because I don't like, you know, me not like mix up. So me keep on go around it. I mean, I say, you know what? Okay, I don't know if you can do this. Okay, why? Him even say come to Jamaica. Me invited to Jamaica. You know, you can stay here, so stay there, so whatever. But me know a girl, you know, say yeah, I need to see this. I need to be sure of that or whatever. You understand? But she's the one actually trying to get to me. She want to bleed. What him say? I block this girl. Or maybe she go in her phone and see say him did a text me or whatever, or him did a invite me, that she feels that she going come and invite me on live or something. Me no know. Me no know. But at the end of the day, guys, I keep shit because I know nobody in this world gonna call me a liar. Nobody. Nobody. I live in the US and I've learned I'm Jamaican. So let's get that clear. I'm Jamaican. I live in the US and I learned that living in you have to keep everything on track because people lied a lot. And me no want nobody come and say me I lied upon them, or nobody say me mix up or me do. No. I keep everything as it is. I me not run up on nobody. Me never run up on no man. Me never text a man first. Me never text a man about good morning, good night, good afternoon, or how are you? Are we good? The fuck? No. You text me. You the one have been texting me. So control her. Control her. And look at me like, okay, so Tanya is not a person that like mix up or no like certain things. But me now go sit down and make this hog bully me. She had do it long time, and your relation, she need to end this blood clot series, because at the end of the day, the man no want you. The man no want, and get it clear. I'm not fighting about no man. Me not fight about no man. Me not angry about her and him. Me no hurt, nothing like that. The thing is that I keep on, what I'm showing is for you to see that I'm not the one looking your man. Or whatever you want to call him. Me not look nobody. I would never go out there and look nobody. Not even me look like you. You know how long me single? Me have like 2 years single. Me not desperate for man. Me not desperate for man. Because man wicked. Them wicked. So me not desperate for man like you that desperate for man. You leave a good man. You leave a good man. You leave your baby father who is a good man. A good man. I'm not saying he's not a good man, but you leave your good blood clot man who used to cook for you. Cook for you rice and sardine and tin mackerel and all that. I not even eat those stuff. No disrespect, but you guys, please do not let me laugh, but it's the truth.